We're here in the bus, ready for Pinipisakan Falls. Ready?
Right.
Yeah, okay. So we're going now for 2 days in Pinipisakan Falls in San Jose, Samar. See you there. We're gonna ride now the Habal-Habal motorbike going to Blanca Aurora. I'm gonna put on our bags.
Yeah.
Good.
It's a exhilarating bus ride.
Yeah. Right. Going now to Blanca. Okay, let's go. Gonna ride here in Barangay Blanca Aurora. Today is their Desperas. Tomorrow is Fiesta here in Blanca Aurora. So when we come back here, it's Fiesta time. So ma-open na patron Blanca Aurora. Okay, ha? Lamat. So we're gonna ride now the boat there, going to Pinipisakan Falls. We have a 1 hour walk. Right again. Back to the boat. So now we're here in Dorongan, so we're gonna start our hiking here, going to Pinipisakan, about 2 hours. Dorongan, so we're leaving now here. So other people going to Barangay Blanca because they're a fiesta. They're coming from Barangay Bayang. So now we're gonna hike here, the way like that. Nangaran mo kuya?
Johnny.
Johnny liwat? Pero katangaran. Johnny man ag Johnny to. Yeah, big river. Like a mushroom, very nice. For mountain climbing, so we're going up here, uphill. The guides there. Already here in our campsite. So we're gonna go to the Nipa hut. There's a Nipa hut there. So we're gonna make a camp there in the Nipa hut. Okay. Our guide. Completing our campsite. Here in Pinipisakan. We're on our camp now here. We have the tarp. So our campsite now. Now we're eating our food. Vegetable. Yeah, we have chicken with tomato sauce. Yeah, nice. Making another table later.
Oh.
Yeah, making our table. Special.
Yeah.
Table in the forest. On chair. Or relaxing. Oh, kampayane ka mo. Hi. Ano yung mga ron?
Jackie.
Ikaw? Ano?
Ivan.
Ivan nga ni? Jackie?
Jackie.
Jackie?
Jackie.
Japit. Ivan nga ni Japit. Yeah, companion. Ivan Japit.
Ivan, drop it.
Andrew. Ilang ngaran? Andrew. Yeah. So while waiting the food, we just talking here. So with our local guide here. And our only guest, Andrew. From Australia. Yeah. Good. So, Pinipisakan now. He just finished the 3 days Langon Gupingog Cave. Finished exploration the biggest cave in the Philippines. Now the most beautiful cave in the Philippines. Now it's the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Pinipisakan Falls. We're here now at the campsite. Ready for lunch. Lunchtime. Pangahon, maupay na pangahon. May luto ka pa, mamay red rice pa, no? Ikang pabukid na rice. Pangahon para may energy. Energy paglangoy.
Siya pindot.
Our table and chairs already finished. We have already table and chair. Good. Yeah. They're still resting. The time is still 12 something.
Yeah, 12.
Ano lang, yeah. We're now gonna change clothing for going to Pinipisakan. They're ready now going to beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Let's go! Beautiful. Yeah, nice. Ready for swimming?
Yeah.
Okay. So one guide we're going to swim first to cross the other one.
Wait.
Okay. Hi, Paul. What's now? Yeah, watch out, huh? Hold. Okay. We're now in the Pinipisakan Falls, going to the 3rd level. What? Back to Pinipisakan Falls. Very nice. Beautiful. Their garbage here. There are many garbage. Yeah. Some tourists come here, just leave their garbage. Follow. So we're gonna pick this one. The basura. Pick the basura. Yeah. Yeah, basura. Basura. So you just leave your basura in Pinipisakan Falls. How dare you to do like that? You are not responsible. Irresponsible tourist or visitor leaving this garbage. So I bring this one back to Catbalogan. So put my garbage here. Yeah. I'm gonna grab it now. Yeah, nice. Over there. Many water. Beautiful here, paradise. Climbing Pinipisakan Falls. Yeah. We're now to Sulpan Cave. Nice. Sulpan Cave. Tinipisa. Okay. Nice. Paradise. Sulpan Cave. Beautiful here, Sulpan Cave. So we cannot anymore climb the cave. Actually, we're planning to go inside the cave because this is a 2-day trip. We need to go caving inside, but the problem is the water is quite strong. Difficult there to climb when the water is strong, and also strong current, also the underground river inside, because there's also a river inside this cave. So all the water coming out here in Pinipisakan coming from inside this cave. Yeah. Watching the waterfall. Nice view. Nice view. Beautiful. The cave there, Sulpan Cave. Beautiful. Nice, paradise. Our guys are taking picture also. In a few minutes we're going back there. So we go to the front of Pinipisakan Falls. But we cannot cross anymore on the other side because many water, strong current. So we're just on the top of the Pinipisakan Falls. So we're just only visit the second layer waterfall. We're going back now because it's raining. It's raining now. So easily to get flood here. So we need to get out here. Maybe back to the camp because the river getting high. Nice view. Ano ba? Darak dyan ah. Kapte. Ito. Oh, dadun ta. Di pa ha. Dadun to. Ito pa, dadato tuman no. Papatora, sige. We're going back to the camp now. Yeah.
Kaya man.
Okay. Yeah. Sige, malahin para sa mga dyan. Ligid lang kita agad. Sige, follow. Here go now the waterfall. Yeah, nice. Yeah, climb up now. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Yeah. The waterfalls now. Pinipisakan Falls. Fish here during flooding. So all the basura from the river come here in Pinipisakan Falls. Yeah. Pinipisakan Falls. Yeah, nice one. Made it. Good. Beautiful here. Beautiful, Pinipisakan Falls. With our solo guest from Australia, Sir Andrew. Thank you for coming Pinipisakan Falls. So even you're solo traveler visiting summer, caving in summer, no problem. You're in good hand with Explore the Adventure. Truly yours, Cave Master, Johnny Bonifacio. Yeah, nice. So even strong rain, we managed to go up to Sulpan Cave, but we cannot anymore enter the cave. Too strong the current of the water. Yeah. So nice view, Pinipisakan Falls, just only in front of me. Yeah, the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Full orchid. Fly now the cute drone. Another drone. Oh, my drone. Flying now the drone. Going back now to the camp. This is our exploration. Very beautiful. Nah. Stop. Yeah, nice. Pinipisakan Falls.
Okay.
What? You like it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, made it.
Yeah, all the way through.
Yeah, so now we're going back to the camp. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, follow our guide.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. to the camp. Bye-bye, Pinipisakan. We're going to our camping area somewhere there. Yeah, there. Gonna swim again back to the river. To our camp somewhere there. Yeah, bye-bye, Pinipisakan. See you next time. Bye-bye, Pinipisakan. Yeah. Back to the camp now. Back to the river, gonna swim again. So they're there swimming already back to the camp. The waterfall, Pinipisakan. So now we're going now back to the camp somewhere there. Okay, let's go. We're come there. Yeah. Back to the camp. Okay. Gonna calm down. Yeah. Yeah. Relaxing time in the camp. Nap time. Souvenir.
Yeah.
The one you have in your arm, right? That one?
The one on my arm.
Yeah, there, no more.
Yeah, that one. Yeah,
Yeah, that's in the cave.
Yeah.
So now this one is in the waterfall.
And that one.
Yeah, in the cave. Yeah, brushes. So yeah, many souvenir from Samar.
Yeah.
Yeah, many. Yeah, you will not forget Samar.
No, I definitely won't.
Yeah. Minor injury. It's a part of adventure.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Ah, dami lastro. Ha? Walang kastigo yan, no? Ha? Sino nagkastigo? Paano? Bukid? Dida ka mo daw makaturog? Ha? Sigo ka mo dida? Oo, pa may daw yan lugod ka mo. Kami lugod daw, kami daw yan. Brother, coffee time. Hello. Sige, ay, tagin na lang ako. Butang yung tasa. Butasa pa? Sige, tagin yung tasa. Oh, sige, sarukin na lang. Kasi tagay ya. Oh, hot water there. Roger, your cup there. Okay.
Thank you.
So there's a spoon there.
Salamat.
Sige. Tagya, kutsara. Yeah, okay. Coffee time. Coffee break.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, sure. So yeah, it's our table. So it's our food later for dinner. Can I eat there? Yeah. So it's our bed later here. Oh, come on, kapi lang ka mo. Sige, kapi ka mo. Oh, this is my bed here. I'm gonna sleep here, and Andrew sleep there. Relaxing time. Yeah. So we're overnight in the forest, just in near the Pinipisakan River, Pinipisakan Falls there. So it's just only above the river. Even get flooding, will not reach here. So this is a safe place for camping. Time we sleep 2 nights inside Calbiga Cave in Langon Gubing Cave. Now we're already sleeping here in the jungle for a change. Yeah, jungle camping. Coffee time. So resting time. So jungle camping, nice here in Pinipisakan Falls. Coming out now. So we missed the bus passing here from Sulpan Cave. They're already out there. Oh, there are many. See their group. Yeah, too many of them. Yeah, we have already our mosquito net, our hammock. So with mosquito net, so we're gonna sleep like that. We miss. Oh, there. Yeah, there are many now. Oh, there. I told you, there's many bats coming out from Sulpan Cave. Yeah, so many of them. Yeah, thousands. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, but watching now. Wow, so many. Beautiful. Mm, yeah, bye bye. We're going. Yeah, thousand. Okay. Yeah, nice.
Whoa.
Yeah, there. How many of them? There. 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 Ah, nice. You're up there. Okay. No, to. Looking now. Apple. Looking out. Just go. No time now. No time. Dinner time. Dinner time now comes. Pangaon. Bon appetit. Okay, eating time. My food here. Oh. Still eating there. Our kitchen there. Just finished our dinner. Time for sleeping now. Time to go to the bed now. It's my mosquito net there. My hammock. So good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. It's now already almost 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're now preparing our breakfast. After here, we're gonna pack up now. We're gonna trek back to Dorongan. So last night it's a very heavy rain. We get wet here. Yeah, nice. Gonna pack up now. Okay. Guys, an egg. Our chef cook. Table. Breakfast time. We have noodle, egg, rice. having our breakfast here in the camp. Yeah. So when later we're gonna break our camp. Gonna pack up and back to Catbalogan. Yeah, nice.
Throw myself in the mud.
Okay. Breakfast time. Yeah, breakfast. Guide also gonna eat. Up now. Packing up now. Ano? Yeah. Good. Ano yun? Na-pack up now. We're almost done and we're ready to go. Have a picture first before leaving. Hiking back to Dorongan. Okay, let's go. Follow our guide. Yeah. Hiking again. Ay, mabalo ni Manodol, oh. Shh. Tadi mo kung ano. Here our camp, so nothing left behind. So we bring all your garbage. Leave no trace. Okay, so I get na my bag. Time for mountain climbing. Yeah, in the jungle. 2 hours walking to Dorongan. So bye-bye Pinipisakan Falls. Okay, let's go. Timing now. We leave at 7:05 in the morning. We're now downhill, going to the river, so need to be careful. Where's the street? We're relaxing here. Resting. Then we continue again. I'm gonna drink down the water there. It's a spring there. And we get water. Like spring coming from the rock. Yeah, very tasty. Nice. Bayang, Barangay Bayang. So we came from Pinipisakan this way. Going to Dorongan now. So this is like a crossing area here. To Barangay Bayang, to Pinipisakan, and to Dorongan. Ng Dorongan. Beray paton motor? Ha? Ano? We arrived na yun ng Dorongan. But our boat is not yet arrived. Yeah, just waiting for the boat. Yeah, waiting. Later, I'm gonna ride now going to Blanca Aurora. So relaxing. Waiting for the boat. So now it's Fiesta Blanca Aurora. Happy Fiesta Blanca Aurora. So hopefully we can eat there. Waiting for the boat. Still coming. Coming now, I heard it. So gonna prepare now. There. Yeah, we're gonna ride now the boat. Prepare. Boat is here. Okay, riding the boat now. Putting our life vest. Here now, so time to ride now the boat. So yeah, bye-bye Dorongan. Time going now to Blanca Aurora. Maybe 30 minutes boat ride because strong river going down. So we're gonna downstream all the way to Blanca Aurora. Time to eat there for the fiesta. Okay, we're on the boat. Yeah, we're back now, Blanca Aurora. We arrived now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now. Coming up. Okay, we're gonna ride sa Balhabal now. Yeah, made it. Happy Fiesta. Ma-open na patron, Blanca Aurora. Oh, Fiesta. Tuloy pa. Okay, ready. Ride na may motorbike there. Oh, smile. 1, 2.
Ready to go?
Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nay. Sige. Come on. Going now to San Jose proper. Ride now may motorbike there. Okay, let's go. Sige. Okay, bye-bye. So, bye-bye Blanca Aurora. So, fiesta here. But we have no more time to eat. We're just going back to Catbalogan. Driving now on the main road. Gonna wait now for the bus or van to Catbalogan. Gonna remove now our bag from the habal-habal. Yeah. Thank now for the ride. Yeah. Catbalogan. See you there. We are now in Catbalogan. So now going back home. Riding a tricycle. Back to Catbalogan. Yeah, I'm already finished sorting my things for washing. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you to Andrew, our Australian guest, solo 2 days Pinipisakan Falls. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. See you for the next caving in Samar. Bye bye.